Here is the aftermath of Blizzard 2011. Here is snowdrifts next to Kurt and Jen's house. It's high. There's our fence. You can get into it. There you are! Hi, Riley. Come on. Hi. What? This is as far as Tim's gotten so far. And now he's working on Kurt and Jen's driveway with the big snow blower. There's a street somewhere out there, we're just not sure where it is anymore. Here was my contribution to the mess. I shoveled the sidewalk. Riley is not liking this. This is our neighbor's car. And there's the snow drifts alongside our house. Pretty cool. There's a little puppy dog. She's trying to figure out how she can go play. Riley, what you doing? Come on. Yeah, she ran back into the garage. She's had enough already.